just here doing my favorite thing, walking the beach looking for shells. I'm making a mini Rockefeller wreath for a gift, and so I need to find the perfect flat oyster shells. So I have my little bag, and I just came down here. I only need about 15, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. And it's about 50 degrees out, and there's no wind blowing, and it's really beautiful out here. So I'm just gonna look around and see what I can catch, and follow along, because when we get home, we're gonna make the wreath. All right, let's get busy looking for shells. On today's show, we are going to be making the miniature Rockefeller wreath. And the reason I call it miniature is because I want to show you my large Rockefeller wreath. This is my Rockefeller wreath. It's absolutely beautiful. It's heavy. I drilled holes in each one of these oyster shells that I found on the beach, and it's all tied on the back of this wreath holder this is the Dollar Tree wire wreath in the back. So this is the large Rockefeller wreath made out of oyster shells found at the beach locally. Now today I'm making a mini, so I'm calling it a mini Rockefeller wreath, and I'm going to visit a friend at her new beach house, and I just wanted to bring her something really beachy. Maybe she could hang it in the bathroom or somewhere. So I got the wreath base, these little wood wreath bases at Dollar Tree, and they come in a group of 5. So they're very nice, they're very lightweight. Got the rope. I got these ropes at Dollar Tree, and these are really nice. I got a bunch of them just to have around. I have kitchen twine, or natural jute twine from the hardware store. I think I got this at Ace. I got jute 7/8 ribbon. This came, it's natural. There's 4 yards on this, and I've already pre-wrapped the wooden frame, which I'll show you, and it used exactly the 4 yards. So this was from Dollar Tree. Actually it was $2.99. Okay, so it worked perfectly, and it's a really nice base, and I don't mind that. I also got this white ribbon at Dollar Tree, burlap ribbon. I thought maybe I would put a bow on the wreath at the, we'll see how that looks. I'm not sure about that. I also have this other little piece of rope. I have my gloves, because at the end when we hot glue this all together, I'm going to use this Minwax water-based polyacrylic gloss, and this goes on and makes the oysters pop. It's really shiny. So I just have my stir stick, my paintbrush, and my Gorilla Glue sticks that I got at Ace. And the main event are when we went down to the beach, my little bag filled with oyster shells. So I wanted to show you, these are kind of like the big oyster shells, and they've got dips in them. And if you can see that, I needed to get flat ones. So I did find a few of these really big oysters, and there's always something you could do. I was looking for little ones as well. Now these could be used in other situations, but I was going to try to layer the oysters. So these are the flat oysters that I found, and I'll just give you a little preview. See, they're really flat. So when I put the hot glue, it'll go right on the wreath. So I laid out sort of what I wanted to do with this wreath, but now I'm going to show you how we'll assemble it. I'm going to use hot glue. I'm going to start by wrapping the wooden wreath base, and then I'm going to hot glue the oyster shells on, and then I'm going to put the gloss on it, and then it's going to really pop. So let's get working on that. I'm going to clean up these shells. These are all the shells that I found. I'm going to bring you in closer so you could see these shells. I'm just going to hot glue around flat, and then my thought was, you know, stacking them for some depth, but I'm not sure how that is going to turn out. I mean, that could be cute. So these are all the extras. This is the jute ribbon. It's very nice. I'm just putting on my gloves because now we're ready to put the polyacrylic on. So everything's on nicely. The back is really nicely done with burlap ribbon. I think it's really simple and cute. And when we put the gloss on, all this is gonna really shine through. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, and I got my little brush. And we're just gonna brush it on. It says it dries fast, so that's positive. And I'm just gonna brush it on. It's fun. I love the treasure hunt of the shells. And it came from my beach, and they're going to someone else's beach house. So that's exciting. And then once it dries, the only thing I'm doing is adding a little bow. And that's it. So this is our mini Rockefeller wreath. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you stayed with me till the end, and I hope I inspired you to have a creative day. And this didn't take a lot of money. It really didn't take that much time, and looking for the shells was very enjoyable and relaxing. So, you know, just find some treasures around where you are and you can do something creative. I know you can. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in, and if you liked the video, like and subscribe. This is incredible. Okay, we walked about 2 steps and we're here. Sandy beach with puppies.